Now in order to create the tail, I've made a slip knot and placed it on my hook, and now we're going to chain 13. Now that we've chained 13, we are going to place 2 single crochets in every chain across, so that's going to be a total of 24 stitches. Alright, so now that we've placed 2 single crochets in every chain space across, you're going to have this little squiggly tail-ish looking thing. And now we are going to pull out a long tail for sewing. And then you're going to take your embroidery needle, thread your yarn onto there, and then you're going to find the opposite side of the chain that doesn't get worked into. So the stitch on this side, other side of the chain on that side, you're going to weave your tail in and out of the opposite end of those chain spaces. All right, so now that we've woven the yarn through the entire tail, you're just going to pull on this end and it should scrunch up nice and tight for you. And that's what it'll look like. And then this will get sewn onto the back of your pig.